Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and maybe you're like me and you're not a super big fan of ironing. Well, having a really nice quality iron can make the chore a little bit easier, so that's why I want to show you this iron. This is the Rowenta Focus Steam Iron, and I have to say, it really does make it a little bit easier. So this is a super nice quality iron. So it has plenty of different settings for all different types of material, whatever you're using. It has a auto shut off, so that is great for safety purposes. It's also really easy to hold. It has a really comfortable handle. The water cavity is very easy to fill. I was surprised at how easy it is. It has this big wide opening here that you open up, and it has this little platform. So when you're filling the water, it just helps you, you're able to pour right against that little platform, and it just directs the water right down. So, you know, sometimes filling an iron is a little bit tricky, but this is very easy. The steam works great, very powerful steam function, and you can use a spray as well as a steam, and you can also do that in the upright position. So if you wanted to just upright steam your clothes rather than iron them, you have that option as well, which is really nice. My favorite part about this iron is the tip. It has a very precise tip that you're able to super easily get around things like buttons or collars, and it just really makes quick work of it. So I iron a lot of button-down shirts, and this thing makes it so much easier, and it just gets the job done really fast. It has a self-cleaning function. It's got these really nice durable plate. It's just a really, really nice iron, and I'm super happy with it. I would recommend it to anybody who wants to make their ironing duties a little bit easier, and that's my point of view.